Welcome to another video. In this video, you will see how we can make high-value leather from antelope skin. Now press like, subscribe, and share.
Utilizing state-of-the-art robotics, the raw antelope materials are carefully guided into the facility for immediate high-tech inspection. The arrival hall utilizes automated pods to ensure the calm transition of the herd as they proceed to inspection.
The overhead scanner conducts a rapid thermal analysis, ensuring the health of the herd before entry into the main facility.
Heart rate stable at 60 BPM. All vitals are optimal.
Confirmed.
Final hydration check confirms 98%. All systems clear.
The self-cleaning floor activates, preparing the way for the high-tech scanning sequence ahead.
Inside the health chamber, non-invasive scanning begins, providing a real-time holographic density check before transfer. The muscle density scan provides crucial data for the leather grading process. The chamber ensures a sterile and precise analysis.
The hydration points are stable, and the flexibility score is optimal at 92. We are cleared for transfer to Zone 3.
Using non-invasive scanning technology, a full density check is performed, creating this detailed holographic map. The health chamber utilizes advanced holographic mapping to assess symmetry and muscle alignment, ensuring peak condition before transfer.
Health check passed.
massive industrial washing tunnel ahead. Rotating cylindrical brushes begin spinning as hides enter. Water mist and LED indicators glow blue.
Precision is key. Our automated systems ensure the perfect ratio of treatment solution is applied before the hides move to the softening stage.
Inside the softening chamber, massive heated drums gently tumble the antelope hides, a critical step that enhances their pliability and texture. The antelope leather is washed, treated, and softened using high-tech conveyor systems and precise chemical solutions.
After washing and chemical treatment, the hides move to softening. Meanwhile, our state-of-the-art water filter
The robotic arm utilizes a high-resolution sensor to scan the hide's surface. This digital map highlights rivers. The hides moved through a rigorous washing process before entering the chemical treatment stage. Here,
the factory utilizes advanced laser technology to precisely cut the softened antelope hides, minimizing waste and maximizing efficiency.
Check the thickness readings on the lower quadrant.
Looks consistent. The laser calibration is holding steady.
Here we see the integration of advanced robotics, carefully sorting the freshly cut antelope hide.
The conveyor system carries the hides into the heat-drying tunnel. A blast of warm air and the intense amber lights stabilize the dyes.
Prevailing. The dyeing process is critical. We use high-tech, temperature-controlled vats to ensure the
The reading here is consistently within the Antelope tolerance. See the uniformity across the grain?
Yes, that meets the specification.
From laser cutting to the final pressing and protective wrapping, technology ensures the highest quality finish for our Antelope leather.
The robotic loader lifts the completed stacks, transferring them seamlessly to the stitching department hallway via the automated platform.
From laser cutting to final pressing, the hides are now ready for the skilled hands of the assembly team.
The culmination of craftsmanship. Our finished jackets, bags, and accessories undergo final inspection.
Here we perform the final quality control waterproof test. The specially treated Antelope leather repels every droplet.
Here at the labeling station, robotic applicators attach RFID chips, which are then scanned for final quality assurance before export.
The segregated various things get completely edited.
Trusted quality, delivered globally. The Antelope Leather Factory ensures that only the finest materials reach their destination.